at-home beauty review of the Flawless hair removal system. So it is a tiny little hair removal. So this is the Flawless system and this is a lipstick. So you can see how they are side by side. And this is a great hair removal system. So this is where the hair collects underneath, and on top is a little razor, which is completely pain-free. I mean, you can run your finger all over it. It will never cut your skin. And it's a single AA battery that goes inside the system. And then it's got a little light, and you just run it over any area where you want the hair removed. And it's painless. It is easy to use. It takes a few seconds. And if you were somebody who used to go to waxing studios, this takes the place of your waxing studio. It's easy to do at home. The results are fantastic. To clean it out, you're just going to remove the little head, and then it comes with a brush. You swipe the brush around in there a little bit and on the razor portion. And then the razors are themselves replaceable, so it's super easy to use. Very convenient to store. This is all the space that it takes up, and the hair regrowth is very minimal. So it just completely replaces waxing. The hair is not going to grow back any thicker. It's not going to grow back any faster. You may notice it a little bit sooner, but that would only because this is not ripping the hair out at the roots. It's more of like a topical thing, but it doesn't grow back thicker or any of that. It's just a super pain-free solution that you can do at home, and it will save you tons of time and energy.